HSBC InvestDirect Canada, app the pros, the cons. InvestDirect is a full-service investment platform for Canadian investors, offering stocks, ETFs, mutual funds and more. But does it stand out? Starting with the pros. First, robust research tools. Users can access market data, company profiles, and real-time news to make informed investment decisions. Second, integrated banking. HSBC clients can link investment accounts with personal banking, streamlining fund transfers and management. Third, a wide range of investment options. From domestic stocks to international ETFs, the app allows for diversified portfolios. Now, the cons. One limitation is fees. Certain trades and account maintenance costs may be higher compared to discount brokers. Another drawback is complexity. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and options available. The surprising truth? Many investors underestimate the value of combining banking and investing under one roof. InvestDirect allows seamless movement of funds and real-time account monitoring, which can save time and reduce errors. In conclusion, the pros: comprehensive research tools, integrated banking, and diverse investment options make HSBC InvestDirect a strong choice for serious Canadian investors. The cons: fees and complexity suggest beginners might need guidance or simpler platforms. Overall, it's ideal for investors looking for a full-featured platform with bank integration.